Hello students, this is the question number 2 of exercise 3.3 of data handling for class 7th. This is the bar graph given in the statement. So by reading this bar graph, we need to answer some of the questions there. So what is the first question? About how many books were sold in 1989. But this is just an estimation because no proper points are given here. This is just an estimation for us about how many books were sold in 1989. So come to year 1989. Here it is 1989. So about how many books? These are the number of books. So look at the bar graph of 1989. This bar is going up to 3/4 of second unit because 1 centimeter is equals to 100 units. 100 units means 100 books. We are writing about books here. So if this bar will up to here, so number of books is 100. But this bar is 3/4 of second unit means 1 unit plus 3/4 of this unit means it is about 175 books because it is just an estimation for us. So 175 above. So this is the 175 books in 1989. How many books? 175 books were sold. And in 1990, so come to the bar of 1990, this bar is going up to 3/4 of this unit. So what will be the answer of? This is also 475. In 1990, 475 books were sold. So next is in 1992. In 1992, this bar is going up to here. 200 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर है, means 1/4 of 200, क्योंकि पूरा हाफ भी नहीं है, उससे थोड़ा कम है. So we are taking it 1/4. 1/4 of this unit means 1 unit 100. 100 plus 100 200 and 1/4 of this unit is 25. So it is 225. In 1992, 225 books were sold. This is the answer of our first question, that how many books were sold in 1989, 1990 and 1992. So in the second part, in which year? In the first part, years were given and we need to find the number of books, but here number of books are given here, so we need to find the year of that. In which year were about 475 books sold? 475. So look at the number of books and here it is about 475. So look at this bar, 475. What is the year here? In 1990. Answer. In 1990, 475 books were sold. So 225, 200 से थोड़ा ऊपर वाला बार चेक करो. 200 से ये थोड़ा नीचे, 200 से थोड़ा ऊपर वाला ये वाला, that is in 1992. In 1992, 225 books were sold. This is our second question. First, second, now third part is here. In which years were fewer than 250 books? मतलब 250 से कम वाली बुक्स कौन से ईयर में सोल्ड हुई? 250 से कम. ये 200 से कम है, मीन्स 250 से भी कम है. सो कौन सा एक तो हो गया in 1989. और चेक करो, ये तो इससे ग्रेटर है 250 से, ये भी 250 से ग्रेटर है. तो और ये भी 225 था और 1992. कौन से? 1989 and 1992 books were less than 250. Means 250 से कम बुक्स उसमें सोल्ड हुई. So now one part is left here. I'm going to erase these parts. After that we will solve its fourth part. Its fourth part is, can you explain how you would estimate the number of books sold in 1989. They are saying, can you explain? क्या आप explain कर सकते हो that how you would estimate कि आपने 1989 में हमें बता दिया कि इसमें 175 बुक्स थी, तो मतलब आपने कैसे इसका estimate किया? हमने कैसे किया? By reading the graph. Answer will be by reading the graph. We concluded that number of books in 1989 are कितनी है? 1 unit plus 3/4 of 1 unit. 1 unit and 3/4 of 1 unit. But we know 1 unit is equals to 100 books. So 1 multiplied by 100 plus, because इसमें और ये वाला ऐड होना है ना, 100 plus 3/4 of 100. 100 plus इसको इसके साथ कट कर दो. 25 3s are 75 is equals to 175. Just they are saying, can you explain? Yes, we can explain it because we know at 1 unit here and 3/4 of 1 unit means 175 books were sold in 1989.